has got me kinda stressing. I only live to be next to you. Through the madness, you remain my greatest blessing. No one but God deserves such love. And if I had one night on this earth to spend, I'd spend it loving you. And out of all I've experienced, nothing comes close to this. You're all I need, sensitive lover. How beautiful you are. You satisfy my every need, sensitive lover.